So welcome back to the R44 YouTube channel, and we have Danny's M3 yet again back in the workshop, carbon barreled Vossens. But today we've got a few more bits going on. We are finally almost completing the build. We'll see how the customer feels because he just keeps adding to the list. So you've probably seen by the title and thumbnail, we have more mods. Previously we fitted the full ceramic brake conversion kit as well as the KWV4s, and it also has a full Krapovich exhaust system as well. So this car's fully loaded with everything, but we are not stopping there. We are going more, but our issue is we need to get it ready for a show at the weekend. The ultimate BMW show that we will be revealing the new look at. We're on a bit of a time crunch at the moment, so a new engine base setup going on, you know, full dress up kit, well as the carbon wheels. The carbon wheels has finally arrived and they are going to look insane. So Charlie's cleaning the car now. We're getting it ready to take it back into the workshop to finish off the build. But yeah, we need to get these things done on time so that we can reveal the new look and take it to the ultimate BMW show. So we have a full empty workshop behind me, which when Charlie's done cleaning the car, we are going to get it in here and spend all of our attention on that car to get it done for this weekend. Because yeah, we haven't got a lot of time. We've got other work to be cracking on with, cars in the workshop, shop cars, everything, getting ready for show season. So keep you updated, and we'll get the car in the workshop. What's it going on, man?
What's it going on?
Yeah.
F80.
F80?
Yeah, all the way to the US, mate.
All the way to the US?
SW to R44, straight to US.
Wow.
Turning, grafting.
Okay, just like that.
Doing a quick few checks.
Yeah.
Making sure it's all good. Sending it straight out.
Bit of QC, yeah.
Yeah.
Bit of QC. Make sure that's checked, yeah. Make sure
Don't
that's
worry,
checked.
don't worry, man. I'm on it.
He's
Making
got
sure
it.
that.
Pump.
Come have a try. Please.
Do you need a hand? That's
Go on,
okay.
mate,
No, okay, I'll do it for you, man. I'll do it for you.
Straight to the packing room.
Take it.
Take it, go on. Look at that, putting in the work. It's what we love to see here at
Is it done
R44.
pumping?
I mean, as high as you want, as high as you feel comfortable.
Like, it's not going any higher.
Okay, keep it there. Straight to the packing room. All the way back
That's
there.
in the way.
All in the day in the life. It's not as easy as you thought, is it?
Well, I would say, yeah. Come on, let's get this out.
Come on.
No, through those doors.
Mate, car's in the way. Workshop's full. Let's try to squeeze it through the cars.
Let's try and squeeze it through the cars.
Yeah, mate. Through the cars.
All the cars. All the cars.
Through the cars, mate. Go on.
That's you're welcome.
Beautiful work.
Yeah, you're welcome. Ultimate BMW show, you coming?
I'll be there.
Hey!
You're coming.
I'm coming. Got it. Oh. Yes.
You can't take that into the office.
Says I can't take that. It's my lunch. Ultimate BMW show?
Yeah.
Whoa!
G81 golden wrench, carbon ceramic, matched golden wrench cap. I think that is the coolant cap. And another coolant cap, charge cooler cap, coolant cap.
Oh, nice.
There we go.
So they are sticking the golden wrench caps on, which if you are a follower of the channel, you'll know that we installed a full set on the E90 M3 last week, I believe. Depends when you're watching this. If you want to know everything there is about to know about golden wrench, go and check that video out. Charlie carried on working in the engine bay to get the downstar kit fitted. If you do want to know how that looked, go and check out our downstar video we uploaded last week. But for now, let's get back to it. So update on Danny's car, ready for this weekend. We've obviously got other jobs going on in the back. We've got the G-Wagon here. The workshop is stacked. We've got an oil service going on because it turns out Danny has been doing an absolute madness in this car since we gave it to him last. We also added to the list by getting a set of pads that we need as well because they are completely gone. And obviously in a previous YouTube video, you would have seen that we fitted carbon ceramic brakes to it, and he's absolutely gone through them already. So yeah, they're going to need changing as well. And currently today is Thursday. I think it's about 4:30. So we've got about half an hour until we clock out for the day, ready for tomorrow. And tomorrow, all we've got to do is get the wheels. They have not yet arrived. And if they don't arrive, we cannot go to the show this weekend. Hopefully they arrive. We'll see you tomorrow. Update you tomorrow with the wheels, hopefully. And yeah, we'll be on the way to the ultimate BMW show. And to make it even busier, we have this G81 M3, which is actually in a really nice finish. But while Charlie's on Danny's car there, he's also got this one to do, which has got a full Soku kit, I believe, some MHC front grills, and yeah, it's all going off in the workshop. So yeah, we've got parts on the floor. It's crazy. It's crazy. That I need to get back to editing, ready for this weekend. Morning all.
Hello.
Nah, not today, bruv.
Oh shit, I almost fell off the bloody split. It's now day whatever it is, but it is Friday morning and we have Danny's G81 build, which today is the last day we need to get it complete. And we don't even have the full day because the customer, Danny, is coming to collect for the Ultimate BMW show at about 3 PM today. And we still are waiting on the wheels. I think the wheels are getting collected today, so that is a plus. We are also right now with the door open, fitting the can check. So we're going to head over to Charlie now and see what he's installing and see what it does. But that is the first job on the list today, is to get the wheels done as well. And then there's a few other bits, like the front splitter also needs replacing a bit as well because that is not 1010. I think we got a bit of curbing issue on there. So yeah, we need that to be ready for the car show. That's it. There's a lot going on. We've got the F80 on the ramp here, which has finally come out of the hibernation, let's say. I'm not going to waste any more time. We're in the workshop. It's very busy today. I'm going to bring you along with me and we're going to get the car done. While there is other work getting done to the G81 over there, we have the can check, which is just a simple screen and it replaces the vent inside the car just next to the driver's wheel. I'll probably throw up a picture as to where it goes and what it replaces, but obviously you still get the airflow through the side here. But essentially what it is, it's just a screen to tell you all the details about the car, boosting, anything like that. You can check it through here. So we're going to stop waffling on now and get this fitted because we don't have much time, so let's go get it fitted.
We still on it. Build on it. We still on it.
Carbon barreled Vossens. So here they are, the Vossens, and not just some Vossens, right? Because that wasn't enough. Carbon barreled Vossens. These have just arrived. We've just collected them. It's been an absolute mission today. The customer's coming to collect. We've still got to finish off, get these wheels on, make sure they clear the calipers, which is our main issue we're having right now. So we're going to watch that. These, I believe, are the S2101s. These are a 20x10 and then an 11J on the rear. And these look absolutely insane. Like, I've personally never seen carbon barrel wheels in person. And I just can't believe these aren't like a showpiece. These are going on the car and the customer is ready to track it. So yeah, we're not going to waffle too much. These look absolutely insane. We're going to get them on the car now. Never seen them in my life. And just like that, you see we've put the carbon barrel wheels on. And this car is going to look so insane once it's down on the ground. I cannot wait to get it out in the sun because the carbon is like, the weave on it just looks crazy. And the color combo with the car, our issue with the calipers, it clears calipers, no problem. So we have no issues there. But we're just getting the last wheel on the car now, and then it's off. What a hectic week, honestly. The car's finished, it could not look better. This looks absolutely insane. And now we've got it out in the sun. The way the carbon like flex in the sun, it looks insane. We've got the carbon front end, you know, you've seen the previous videos. This has been the most nerve-wracking car I've ever had to drive. Everything just becomes closer once you put 25k worth of wheels on. This is not something I want to be refurbing, or nor that I think you can even refurb. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get some shots of the car, hopefully you enjoy it, and roll on Sunday because we will see this car, the Ultimate BMW show. It's going to look mental. We're going to get some reactions, see what people think, and hopefully you enjoy the show, the meet, the video, everything like that, but we will see you on Sunday. Just with the power of editing, it is now Sunday and we are at the Ultimate BMW show. You can see the R44 G80 M3 is getting all the looks. Let's go and have a look at it right now. We cleaned it on Friday, the team cleaned it, so like it's looking fresh. And may I add, this is, at the moment, we've just been walking around outside and this is the only G90 that I've seen so far. A lot of G80s, a lot of M140s, a lot of Minis up on the ridge there. Yeah, this is it. The satin silver G90 M5, big Vossens on it. So we have pretty much just got here. This is the Ultimate BMW show. So the idea is that we are going to find the best and most ultimate BMWs at this show. So we're going to have a walk around and see what's here. So just quickly looking around the M5, obviously we have all the videos previously on the YouTube channel if you do want to go check it out, but we have the full carbon ram air intake, golden wrench caps, the lot with the gold sort of CSF charge coolers. It's serious with the red golden caps. Look at it, look around us, look around us. Everybody loves the G90, everybody loves the G90 M5. That's the engine bay, a lot of carbon going on, a lot of stuff going on. Let's go have a look at the meat. come. You know, when you see this, he's been on the R44 website. Go and check it out. Go check out with your sun strips. But that's running sun strip alone. It's got to be 1,000 wheel. That is it. We're here with Danny's G81, and this whole week has led up to this point with the car on the stand at the Ultimate BMW show, and this is potentially the ultimate BMW at the Ultimate BMW show. So although you've seen it all already, we're just going to give a quick brief as to what we've done to the car, how it's looking. So obviously before we get to the wheels, we need to appreciate the engine bay out in the light, because it's always in the workshop and we don't really get to appreciate how it looks. Just everything to do with it, with the strut brace, the engine bay, the intakes, the downstars, everything has been done to this car, and we've just gone the extra mile with it down to the full MHC front end. And then we have the absolute party piece, that is the carbon barreled Vossens. Look at these, I just look at the details as well with the valve sort of stems. They're coming out next to the rim, just honestly like millimeters of precision that has been going into making these wheels. And yeah, we waited long enough for them, but they are here now with the carbon barrels. These look serious. What I didn't actually show you while we were at the workshop is the can checked finish. So hopefully you can see that with the lighting is a bit off, but we've got the boost gauges here. We've got all the gauges here. Obviously when the car's on, you'll see what the car's running, everything like that. And yeah, look, performance meter, 0 to 200, everything. So this is a pretty cool device where you can see literally everything there is. And it's plugged in just behind the dash. We have to take the full dash out, plug it in, and yeah, once the car's on, you can see all the data live as it is. So we've just come across this very nice 1M. I mainly saw the plate, and then I saw the fitment on these wheels. The BBS is clean. And then there was a massive trophy in the passenger seat, and I was wondering what that was for. And there actually is an Ultimate BMW Meet winner sort of postcard in the dashboard. So like, I'm not exactly sure how they rate them. This car's insanely clean, so that is a worthy winner. But if you were here at the show, or if you've seen any sort of clips, would you put this as a winner? I am not too sure. I think I've seen a couple more that are slightly better. I think I may be biased, but I do think Danny should have been up there a bit more just because of the level of mods that he has. This is an insanely clean car and potential future classic. Okay, so that is going to be it from me and the Ultimate BMW show. It was nice to catch up with Danny and see how he's found the car, which he's absolutely loving it at the moment, and so is a lot of other people with the carbon wheels. And it must be the only car, I believe it is the only car with the carbon barrel wheels, so that's nice to have our name to that and everything. Yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, do all of that, and you'll probably see us next year again at the Ultimate BMW show. But as of now, that is it. Like, comment, subscribe, do all of that, and we'll see you on the next one.